Have you ever wondered how long human-made objects can last in the vast expanse of space? It's a captivating question, isn't it? The answer lies in the perfect harmony of technology, design, and resilience against the harsh conditions in space. To begin with, we must recognize that space is a hostile environment, with extreme temperatures, corrosive solar radiation, and the ever-present threat of meteoroid impacts. This means that the materials used and the design of these objects need to be robust enough to withstand such conditions. Technological advancements play a crucial role in the longevity of these objects. State-of-the-art engineering and materials science, coupled with innovative design, ensure these objects can endure for extended periods. But perhaps the most remarkable testament to human ingenuity and the durability of our creations is the Voyager spacecraft mission. These twin spacecraft have been voyaging through space for nearly 5 decades, and, according to one scientist, they could keep going for 1 billion years. One prime example of this longevity is the Voyager spacecraft mission. Back in the late 1970s, humanity embarked on an ambitious mission to explore the outer realms of our solar system. The world watched in awe as 2 spacecraft, aptly named Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, were launched into the unknown. These spacecraft were the brainchildren of a group of scientists and engineers who dared to dream bigger than ever before. Among them was a young graduate student, Alan Cummings. Cummings joined the Voyager mission in 1973, 4 years before the launch. He was a part of an impressive team of over 300 individuals, all dedicated to the success of the mission. Now a senior research scientist at Caltech, Cummings is one of the few original team members still actively involved with the Voyager mission, which has now dwindled to fewer than a dozen people. The Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 spacecraft were initially planned as 5-year missions. They were designed to explore the outer planets of our solar system, capturing data and images that would help us better understand these distant worlds. But even from the outset, Cummings had a hunch that these hardy spacecraft would go the distance, lasting at least 30 to 40 years. And he was right. Over the past 5 decades, the Voyager spacecraft have traveled over 10 billion miles into space, further than any other human-made object. They've rewritten our understanding of the solar system, making groundbreaking discoveries that have kept scientists like Cummings engaged for nearly half a century. But their journey hasn't been without challenges. As the spacecraft approach their 50th anniversaries, they're running low on fuel. Engineers have had to shut down different instruments to keep them going. Yet, despite these hurdles, the Voyagers continue to push forward, sending valuable data back to Earth. Little did we know, these spacecrafts would exceed all expectations and continue to provide valuable data almost 50 years later. As Cummings puts it, there's nothing to stop it. And indeed, the Voyager mission, much like the curiosity and spirit of exploration it embodies, seems set to continue for 1 billion years. The Voyager mission has been a treasure trove of discoveries, offering us a new perspective on our outer solar system. Who knew that a journey into the unknown would present us with such a wealth of knowledge? The Voyager spacecrafts have graced us with unprecedented discoveries, each one more astonishing than the last. Let's take a trip down memory lane to Jupiter's moon Io, first glimpsed by Alan Cummings in 1979. With a surface resembling a poorly made pizza, Io was a sight for sore eyes. Its vibrant, volcano-infused surface stood in stark contrast to our own gray pockmarked moon. The reality of this discovery was a hard pill to swallow for many, but true it was, and it changed our perspective forever. Now, imagine the surprise when the Voyagers revealed that Saturn wasn't the only planet sporting a ring. Jupiter too had jumped on the bandwagon, proudly flaunting its newfound accessory, but the discoveries didn't stop there. The Voyager spacecrafts also introduced us to new moons around Jupiter and Saturn, further expanding our knowledge of our solar system. And then, there was the pale blue dot photo. This distant image of our tiny world offered a humbling perspective on our place in the cosmos. The famous astronomer Carl Sagan put it perfectly when he said, "To my mind, there is perhaps no better demonstration of the folly of human conceits than this distant image of our tiny world." The Voyager spacecrafts in their long journey have snapped over 67,000 images of our solar system, each one offering a unique insight into the celestial bodies that surround us. In the words of Alan Cummings, these discoveries have rewritten the textbooks. They have pushed the boundaries of our understanding, challenged our preconceived notions, and sparked a sense of curiosity that continues to drive scientific exploration to this day. These discoveries, among many others, have rewritten the textbooks of our understanding of the cosmos. Originally planned as 5-year missions, the Voyagers have demonstrated an endurance that continues to astound us. Both Voyagers were designed for a relatively short journey, yet they've managed to defy expectations and continue their mission, nearing their 50th anniversaries in space. Alan Cummings, who has been a part of this historic mission for over 5 decades, always had faith in the longevity of these spacecraft. From the start, he believed these spacecraft could last at least 30 to 40 years, a prediction that time has proven to be an understatement. But the extension of the Voyager mission hasn't been without its challenges. As the spacecraft continue their journey, they're running low on fuel, a vital resource that powers their instruments and allows for communication with Earth. Engineers have been forced to make tough decisions, shutting down various instruments to conserve energy and prolong the spacecraft's lifespan. And yet, the Voyagers persist thanks to a remarkable engineering team that has diligently maintained these spacecraft over the years. Their expertise and dedication have been instrumental in keeping the Voyagers operational, ensuring the continual flow of invaluable data back to Earth. Despite the decreasing fuel and the gradual shutting down of instruments, the Voyagers remain undeterred. As Cummings puts it, there's nothing to stop it. Even when they lose power and communication, they'll continue to travel, indefinitely forging ahead into the unknown. Such endurance is a testament to human ingenuity and the power of scientific exploration. It's a reminder that even human-made objects, designed with a finite lifespan, can exceed expectations when driven by the pursuit of knowledge. The Voyager's journey is far from over. They carry on, unimpeded by the challenges they face, propelled by the same spirit of exploration that launched them into space nearly 50 years ago. Despite these challenges, the Voyagers continue their journey, with no signs of stopping anytime soon. As we approach the 50th anniversary of the Voyager mission, one can't help but wonder, what does the future hold for these resilient spacecrafts? The Voyager spacecrafts, having journeyed billions of miles into the unknown, are now running low on fuel. Yet even as their power dwindles, their mission is far from over. For Voyager scientist Alan Cummings, the spacecraft's future is one of perseverance and longevity. After participating in the Voyager mission for nearly half a century, he speculates that these spacecrafts could continue their journey for 1 billion years. Yes, you heard it right, 1 billion years. But what does this mean? It means that these spacecrafts could continue their silent sojourn into the depths of space, long after we've lost the ability to communicate with them. They could serve as our cosmic time capsules, carrying with them the story of a species that dared to reach for the stars. The prospect of such a long-lasting legacy is fascinating. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our insatiable curiosity. It's an enduring symbol of our desire to understand the universe and our place within it. As they continue their journey, the Voyager spacecrafts could potentially make more groundbreaking discoveries. They've already rewritten our textbooks, unveiling new moons, planetary rings, and the colorful volcanic surface of Jupiter's moon Io. Who knows what other celestial secrets they could unveil as they venture further into the cosmos. We must also consider the technological advancements that could occur within the next 1 billion years. Imagine the possibilities. Future generations could develop technology capable of retrieving the Voyager spacecrafts, studying them, and learning about our early attempts at space exploration. In short, the future of the Voyager spacecrafts is one of infinite potential. They stand as silent sentinels in the vast expanse of space, their journey a remarkable testament to our desire to explore, understand, and ultimately transcend our earthly confines. As they continue their journey into the unknown, the Voyager spacecrafts remind us of the extraordinary potential of human ingenuity and our never-ending quest to explore the cosmos.